All right, oboes, line number 9 is one of our objective lines. Okay, so let's check this one out pretty carefully here. So you'll see line 9 is called mix them up. So we do have a couple skips again from C to A. Okay, where again you're going to have 2 fingers moving, one's going up and one's coming down. Okay, and then also check it out. We have 3 whole notes in a row now. Now don't worry, you're not going to have to hold your air for 12 counts long, because look what they did for you. They drew in some breath marks after the first 2 whole notes, right, in each half of the line. So you're going to get a chance to breathe, play for 8 counts, then quick breath before you get to the 3rd whole note each time, okay? And go ahead and take that breath mark, because you're probably going to need it so that you can make it through that last whole note, okay? All right, so now let's go ahead and do a count and clap version, because this will also, again, test out your voice for 8 counts, which will be your air. And you can also practice taking the quick breath. All right, count and clap, line 9, here we go. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So pretty quick, okay, with those breath mark breaths. All right, so now let's talk about what our notes are doing. Let's look at those first 3 measures. We start on C, 1 and 4. Then you're going to have to do that quick tongue finger change. Get down to A. That's a skip, right? 2 fingers moving. C. Skip down to A. Then while you're taking that quick breath, you've got to add finger 4 so you can be ready to play and tongue that B flat. All right, so let's just practice saying and fingering those 3 measures here first. Work out the changes here. 1, 2, say it. C, A, B flat. Kind of see how that's going to work? So again, while you're taking the quick breath mark breath, you'll be getting fingers ready for the B flat. Okay, let's try those first three again. Say again, and here we go. C, A, B flat. All right, so see how that's gonna work? Now, look at the last 3 measures, okay? Your air, breathing, that's all gonna be the same, but let's check out our notes. So in the whole rest, we're gonna leave our fingers set for B flat. Then it changes to C. Ooh, and during the quick breath, now look, quick breath while you're skipping down to A. 4 is coming up and 2 is going down. Okay, so let's practice saying those last 3 measures. Starts on B flat. 1, 2, say the last 3. B flat, C, A. All right, so kind of see how that's going to work now? Now, let's go ahead and say the whole line so you get the full picture. 1, 2, say whole thing. C, A, B flat, freeze, stays the same. B flat, C, A. All right, so now let's add the air and do the fog and finger version. And again, don't forget you do have to tongue all 3 of the whole notes each time, okay? All right, let's fog. 1, 2. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and play for you line number 9. Now again, it might be a good idea for you to stop and break this one down. Practice each of those 3 measures, or if you find a spot where your fingers are having trouble, like maybe the skips from C to A, practice that a couple times with fingers, tongue, and air so you can really make sure you're being really precise, okay? All right, test note. Out, 2. All right, good luck with line 9, guys.